Welcome back to the 6th video in my series sharing my progress on my 100-day project. Now that the weather has turned quite spring-like with warm sunshine, I too return to a practice I haven't done in some time, which is to take a moment to sit out on the patio with some supplies and doodle and create focal images for my art. Today I'm making simple flowers using watercolor paints. Back inside, I begin the next set of 10 creations. I'm working in a 12-inch journal where I have taped off 10 2-inch by 5-inch rectangles. I begin as I have so many times before with a base of painted papers and washi tape. Then, to soften the hard edges together, I use a bit of gesso to blend everything together, and I do the same with a little red fluorescent paint. My next layer is some collage, which is mainly jelly printed tissue paper, which I glue to the page using matte media. Next, I prep the page with a little spray of water and add some acrylic ink. I started with some white and some Payne's grey, but I completely underestimated just how pigmented my golden acrylic paint in Prussian blue would be, and just about obliterated the whole piece in one colour. I was tempted to dab it all up, but resisted the temptation, and instead let the water take its course to move the paint around the page, and walked away and left it to dry overnight. When I came back to it the next day, it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but I had to come up with an idea of how to move forward. Given that the page was almost one colour, I decided to break up the surface with neutral papers, which I had punched with large circles. By adding the vintage papers, it breaks up the blue and allows parts to peek through, and gives each of the rectangles a bit of structure before adding my focal images. Remember the flowers from the start of the video? Well, I thought they would be perfect. When I make the flowers, I fill the page with lots of them, and once they're completely dry, I add an outline in a thin black pen. I am now well over halfway through the project, though still a little behind the official schedule. But I'm not worried, I'm enjoying the process, and I still find it exciting that I never know what I will create next. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.